Is 3/8 plus 7/8 larger or smaller than 1? How do you know? When you have fractions and the bottom number, the denominator, is the same, and the bottom number stays the same. So you're going to have 3/8 plus another 7/8. So you're just going to go along the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3/8 plus 7/8 is going to get me 1 and 2/8. So that's larger than 1. So it's larger than 1. Also, if you just go the 3/8 plus 7/8, you're going to be adding the top numbers. 3 plus 7 is 10 over 8. And when the number on top is bigger, that indicates that the answer is more than 1. Some vocabulary. We have mixed numbers. Our mixed numbers is a whole number and a proper fraction. It's like if you have the whole number plus a proper fraction together, 2 and a third. You have 2 complete parts plus a fraction. That's a mixed number. Sometimes it's also called mixed fraction and mixed number, and they mean the same thing. So it's an improper fraction written as a whole number and a fraction. Here we have an improper fraction where the larger number is up top, and this is a mixed fraction. These are both the same amount. It's 1 and 3/4, which is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 quarters. So 1 and 3/8 is the same as 11/8, and 1 and 9/16 is the same as 25/16. So we have the improper fraction and the mixed number. So write the answer 2 different ways on this question. You could have 10/8 is 1 that we saw before, because that would be the 3/8 plus the 7/8. The bottom number stays the same. Then you add 3 and the 7 to make 10. This is also, we saw before, which is equal to 1 and 2/8. And you could also rewrite this as 1 and 1/4. So if this is the simplest form, if you can do that, well done. But here's at least 2 answers: 10/8, 1 and 2/8, or 1 and 1/4. These are really just for your reference, so you can use them if you see questions with 12ths or 6ths. You can look at the 6th here, or you can look at the thirds along here, and you just have to see where the lines would go. And then there's the 8ths, the 4ths, and the halves, the 10ths, and the 5ths. And now think about it. Elijah was competing in a contest to see what student could move the greatest distance in 3 jumps. His first jump measured 3/4 of a meter. His second and third jump measured 2/4 and 3/4. Because the way computers work, this doesn't exactly look the same, but it means the same thing. So we have 3/4 plus 2/4 plus 3/4. The first thing I notice is the denominators are the same. That's good. We're going to leave the denominator as 4. Now we just have to add the top. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So 8/4. We can say 8/4, and if we look at the number line, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 would actually also be 2. So this isn't a mixed fraction, 2 and 0/4, but 8/4 is the same as 2. It says represent this problem with a model. Just show it up here. With an equation, here's your equation, and then solve it. 8/4 or 2.